So a lot of you guys must be waiting for a recipe video which I wasn't able to upload last week. So I had actually made a recipe video and I was going to show you a sugar-free modak recipe. But because of some technical error in the video, I wasn't able to upload it. So I decided that I will fix that problem very soon and I will upload that video. But before that, I would like to show you some of my latest envelope collection. So as you all know that I have been making these envelopes since the past 2 years, and I only work on different designs and I try to make handmade different envelopes. But this time I decided that I would do something unique and which I had never done before, and this is the first time that I am trying these, and so I would like to show my collection. So this time I decided that I would make some shaker envelopes. So you all must have seen these shaker cards wherein you can move that card and all the sprinkles and glitter and everything moves. So I decided to make the same thing for envelopes. So I hope you all will like my different idea. So I'll just show you my collection. So firstly it's this one. It's a Disney themed envelope with a little Minnie Mouse, and it says, "It's your day, make a wish." And I've added these sparkles inside the Minnie Mouse, and as you all can see, and it actually moves around. So kids will love to shake it when they receive these cards, these envelopes. Nextly, I have made this one, washing machine one. So I had made a washing machine themed envelope before, but this is a different one because I have added some beads inside the washing machine, and I have also added a lot of clothes and detergent. So it says, "Sending you loads of love," and I have these beads inside which move around. Nextly, I have this one. So it has these cute little fireflies which glow at night, and so I have made a night themed one with these fireflies which are in a jar, and some of them are outside, and it says, "Happy birthday and hope your day glows with happiness." And again, this jar contains beads, so they move around. It contains sparkles and sprinkles and all, so you can shake it. So this was actually something new, and I actually love this theme because being a teenager, I too love playing like this, and so kids definitely will love these envelopes. Nextly, I have this one. So it says, "Sending you a big birthday wish," and I have made this big balloon over here. And here's an elephant with his friends, and again this balloon contains all the sparkles, so again it moves around. Nextly, this was actually my personally favorite one. So it's a swimming pool and a summer themed envelope with a little swimming pool, and there's a cute little girl who's sitting on the ring, and she's just relaxing, chilling in the sunshine. So it says, "Have a sunshiny birthday." And again the pool contains all the blue and green sprinkles which move around. This is a typical girly one because it's a mermaid and a colorful one, and it says, "Have a magical birthday," with a cute little purple shell. So again the shell contains all the beads and all which move around. And lastly, I have this dolphin one. So it says, "Hope your birthday is a splash," and it's a cute little dolphin and some bubbles and all, and again the dolphin contains the sparkles, so again it moves around. So this is what I was going to show you today. So this was my latest collection of envelopes which I was working on, and I hope you all will definitely love to see these. And I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and please do comment down below which one out of all of these was your favorite. And also please subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and family members as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys.